It is no longer news that the entire world is going through a critical period due to the coronavirus, also known as COVID-19. The virus, which started in Wuhan, China in late December 2019 to early January 2020, has shut down the entire world, starting with the developed nations. Many nations believe the only way to curb the spread of this deadly virus is to enforce a stay-at-home measure, popularly called lockdown, for the people. The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari, announced on the 29th of March 2020 in a nationwide broadcast a total lockdown of Lagos, Ogun, and Abuja for the period of 2 weeks. Since then, both the federal and state governments has embarked on emergency stimulus package for poor Nigerians, and some organizations are doing same too. One of these organizations is Touch of Love and Lifting Hands Foundation, chaired by Engineer Atinuke Uraola Owolabi.
I'm Engineer Atinuke Owolabi, the founder of Touch of Love and Lifting Hands Foundation. This is a foundation that takes care of the old people in the society and the widows as well. We just tried to start this when we started. A lot of widows, a lot of old people are always home. Most of them are depressed and lonely, so we try to have this foundation at home where they can actually come to relax, socialize. Then this is a bungalow, the 2-bedroom bungalow for them. When they come, they have so many recreational things they can play with. They have game sports, there is Ludo, there is draft. We also have television for them, they can watch. The essence of this is to actually curb depression amongst them. And when this COVID-19 started, we had to tell them to stay home, not to come to the foundation, so have to actually maintain social distancing. And after a while, we discovered that most of them were already hungry because they were used to this coming here. They knew, okay, coming to this place, they will surely eat. So asking them to stay home, not to come out, instead of just leaving them, we can't just even abandon them. So we decided to reach out to them, to give them so many things, and you can see that they are so happy, they are so impressed with what we're giving them. We have prepared lots of bread, beans, noodles, grains. Even we added hand sanitizers to it and hand wash, so that we can let them know the essence of stay home is just for them not to contact this coronavirus because it's deadly. But if they can actually adjust to the instructions, I guess it will help them.
So you wash your hands for 20 seconds. Once you open, just take little and wash the hands. So anytime tẹ́ bá ti ń jáde, ṣẹ́rí hand sanitizer ẹ ṣáà fi sápò yín. Ibi tẹ́ bá ti ń lọ, ẹ tún ra fi díẹ̀ sọ́wọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wá ń sìn, ẹ wò, bá ṣe fún yín sìn, ẹ fi pa owó dáadáa, ó ti pa gbogbo germs tó wà lọ́wọ́ yín. Ṣóyè yín, ó ti pa gbogbo germs tó wà lọ́wọ́ yín. So ìkọ̀ọ̀kan ẹ̀ la máa fún yín, a máa fún yín lára kọ̀ọ̀kan. Then a máa ẹlẹ́yìn ti wà nínú gbogbo páàkì yín, ọṣẹ ẹ máa fi fọwọ́ yín. So that gbogbo ìdọ̀tí yóò ní sí lọ́wọ́, ṣóyè yín mà. So, Mr. Adesanya.
Why? Where are you now? How color
Okay. Ó jẹ lélẹ̀, ọṣẹ lélẹ̀ àti hand sanitizer. Àwọn Touch of Love wọ́n ń tọ́jú wa, wọ́n ń tọ́jú arúgbó ẹ̀gàn ló kù. Níbikíbi ni màá ti fi wọ́n proud. Ọmọ wa àti Lúkẹ́ Owólabí, Ọlọ́run á dùn wá. Tọmọtọmọ bó ti sọ fún pé Tolúwa nílẹ̀ àti ẹ̀kún ẹ̀. Ilé ayé àtọ̀ gbogbo tó tẹ̀dó sínú rẹ̀. Gbogbo bíkíbi tó bá ń lọ àtọmọ àtẹ̀tù àtọ́kọ àtayá wọn. Gbogbo wọn Ọlọ́run máa wà pẹ̀lú wọn. Ilé ayọ̀ náà máa tẹ̀ káàkiri. Ilé ológo, ilé ọlọ́lá, ilé gẹ̀ náà máa tẹ̀ káàkiri. Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè á dáwọ́ sí. Ó tẹ̀ sí dáwọ́ sí, á túbọ̀ dáwọ́ sí fún wa. Lágbára Ọlọ́run.
Happy with
Remember 4 people.
4 people.
And the people we know well, like you.
Okay, so you believe that they remember poor people, old people.
And people we know well.
People we know well.
Like me.
Oh, like you. Today you can see that because of the faith the community, the society has on us. The Association of Professional Women Engineers, Lagos State chapter, they came here today to make a kind of a synergy with us to relieve the old people of the stress of this COVID-19.
And so far so good, they've been able to comply with that. And reaching out to them, you can see that they're very happy now that we didn't neglect them, we didn't abandon them. And we thank God. I also want to appreciate all my team. They've been doing a great work. I can't do it alone. So having them around me makes it easier for me to actually reach out to even more than 500 of them now. We went to a place to see just a woman. When we got there, we saw a lot of them. I felt it. A lot of people are actually living in abject poverty. There are a lot of things that we need to do. So going out now from one house to another has really opened my eyes. There are a lot of people are living in abject poverty. Now, the next phase now, we have to increase our distribution to be able to go around more than 500 less privileged in the society. And to be honest, I need to thank our Lagos State Governor and his entire team. They are doing a great work. They are also distributing relief materials to them, not even food alone, the healthcare sector too. They are making sure that they are very happy there. Sometimes when I look at the governor and his team, I will look at it and oh, this is a governor that is so passionate about his people. I want to say thank you to our governor, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. They are really doing a great work. And even his team as well, you can see the Commissioner of Health is always there. It's not that maybe they will just send an instruction to people to go and to just pass instructions to people. They are there. They are busy. The people are actually seeing them. So that will also give a lot of people encouragement that oh, this actually they can be well. And I want to tell people that coronavirus is real. It's very, very real. It's real. If you go to the other countries, a lot of people are dying. If you look at Nigeria now, we're able to curb it on time. And if you can actually stay home, I guess we can cut the spread. I want to appeal to Nigerians. Please adhere to all the instructions and stay home. Whatever you need, you have the phone numbers of those people that are in charge. You can call them for anything. But don't go out, especially the old people. Any who that is above 70 years, your immune system is low. And I don't want you to go out there. You can be reached in your various homes. Please, I beg everyone that is above 70 years to stay home. And I appeal to all the well-meaning Nigerians, please go out there and support your neighbor. You don't have to look for a large crowd. It could even be one person. Put a smile on the face of that person, and that person as well will put a smile on another person's face. So it's going to be like a chain network, and before you know it, we'll be able to reach out to a lot of people here in our country, not even in Lagos State alone. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, and God will bless us.